Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display more than 50 emails at once in your Gmail inbox. By default, Gmail only shows 50 conversations per page, which can be frustrating if you receive a lot of messages and want to view more without constantly clicking through multiple pages. Luckily, Gmail gives you a way to increase this number so you can see up to 100 emails per page. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear-shaped settings icon. From the drop-down that appears, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu where you can control many options for your Gmail experience. Now, inside the settings menu, look for the General tab, which is usually the first one. Scroll down until you find the section called Maximum Page Size. Here, you'll see an option labeled Show Number Conversations per Page. By default, this is set to 50. Click on the drop-down menu, and you'll notice you can change it to show 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, or 100 conversations at once. To display more than 50 emails, simply select 100. After choosing your preferred number, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh, and now when you return to your inbox, you'll see up to 100 emails displayed on a single page. This is especially useful if you manage a busy inbox or need to quickly review large volumes of email. Instead of clicking through multiple pages, you can scan through twice as many messages in one go. However, keep in mind that showing more emails at once may take slightly longer to load if your internet connection is slower, but for most people, it works smoothly. And here's a quick pro tip. If you combine this with Gmail's search filters like searching by date, sender, or keywords, you can review and manage your messages much faster. So that's how you can show more than 50 emails in Gmail. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your inbox. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step Gmail and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.